Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'd like to thank the honourable member for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, on the 3rd of May, the Fijian government launched the Fiji Climate Finance Strategy at the Fijian National University immediately after the announcement of the signing of the MOU between Monash University and FNU. Sir, the Fiji National Climate Finance Strategy, or NCFS, serves two vital roles. Firstly, it fulfills the requirements of our recently enacted Climate Change Act to develop and implement a national climate finance strategy. Secondly, it is a comprehensive blueprint that details the priority policies, interventions, targets, and projects across 12 sectors that require climate finance and keep us on track to meeting our ambition and making our islands a case study in carbon neutrality and sustainable and resilient development. The NCFS, Mr. Speaker, integrates the policies, targets, and projects for Fiji's development and climate strategies and prioritizes them based on the numerous consultations. These strategies include the National Development Plan, National Adaptation Plan, Climate Vulnerability, Low Emissions Development Strategy, NDC Investment Plan, NDC Implementation Roadmap, and from line ministry strategic plans. Further to this, sir, it means three crucial adaptation topics that are often overlooked and chronically under-supported: gender and social inclusion, relocation, and human health. This strategy also includes concept notes for 24 mitigation and adaptation projects that come under various programs that are priorities for immediate funding and implementation. The implementation phase, sir, has already started with key projects and programs being developed from the identified policies, interventions, targets, and projects of the strategy. These include, one, Mr. Speaker, sir, promoting electric bus transport in Fiji, which will pilot electric buses on multiple passenger routes and build local technical capacity to operate and maintain electric buses. The first one will start off at Valilevu, where we're actually building what we call a suburban bus transit route, and a station there will be the electric charging stations will be there. Climate resilient homes, Mr. Speaker, sir, which will have innovative construction processes and materials that reduce home construction costs and provide solar for low-costing housing flats in Fiji. Smart agriculture, Mr. Speaker, sir, will provide a guarantee for Fiji Development Bank to de-risk farmers while also improving their financial access to smart agriculture technologies that support low emissions and climate resilient agriculture practices, as we are seeing in Bureta in Ovalau, sir, where we have the first agro-photovoltaic project, which is a blended finance project funded through FDB, the Green Climate Fund, and the Korean assistance, sir. And fourthly, Mr. Speaker, sir, bonds, which will seek to raise up to $50 million for investments to deliver a sustainable blue economy and create jobs and protect Fiji's ocean, helping those people in the maritime areas, on coastal areas, to get into sustainable fishing practices and various other practices, mariculture and aquaculture. Mr. Speaker, sir, the National Climate Finance Strategy, of course, can be downloaded from the Fiji Climate Change portal, accessible to all Fijians, sir. Thank you.
I thank the Honourable Attorney-General.